Hi, Karen here with Prairie Hill Puppies, and today I just wanted to show you Bubbles and Marbles, mini Sheepadoodles. These little guys were born on Mother's Day. Just a quick introductory, these are the little boys. She had 7 in the litter. These are the only 2 boys. Black and white, little Merle. They're just as cute as can be. Getting some snuggle time, handling them. Show you the girls. Another little girl, Merle. Look at these markings. Another little girl. These 3. Black and white. I love the face on this one. Look at that face. Another. All white. Doesn't happen very often. But we're just getting handled and some loving, some nurturing right out of the gate. Getting some snuggles. Just was excited to show you guys. Pray